Hi mga ka-tropais! Welcome to Pies Acad TV. Yung topic natin for today's video is about methods in dividing polynomials using synthetic division and long division. So for our example number 1, dividing 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 by x minus 1 using synthetic division. So, this polynomial is our dividend and this linear factor is our divisor. The first thing we do is yung divisor, equals na natin siya sa 0. Then x is equals to positive 1. Since sa synthetic division, may format na ganito, yung 1, nilalagay natin dito sa corner, and then get natin yung coefficients dito sa polynomials, which is yung positive 2, positive 3, negative 5, and positive 1. Write lang natin 2, positive 3, negative 5, and positive 1. So, draw lang tayo ng line dyan. And the next thing we do is, baba natin yung 2, bring down 2, and yung makukuha nating answer dito sa baba is i-multiply lang natin sa number na nandun sa corner, which is yung 1. So, 2 multiply by 1 is 2. Dito natin siya ilalagay sa ibaba ng 3. And then, yung mga numbers na nandito is ipapag-add lang natin. Add. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then, multiply ulit natin yung answer na yun dito sa baba. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So, ayan. Yung last term dito is the remainder. And itong mga numbers na dito ay yung magiging coefficient natin sa answer natin. So, write na natin 2x squared. So, bakit x squared? Dapat, yung power dito, sa sagot natin is 1 plus dun sa highest power, originally. Since yung highest power na nandito is 3. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, kaya x squared na lang siya dito. So, 2x squared plus 5x. Since 0 na lang yan, yung sunod, proceed na tayo sa remainder. So, paano natin sinusulat yung remainder? Lagyan lang natin 1 over dun sa divisor natin, which is yung x minus 1. X minus 1. Ayan. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Yan. So, example number 2, dividing 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 2 by x plus 2 using synthetic division. So, katulad ng ginawa lang natin kanina, yung divisor, which is yung x plus 2, equals lang natin sa 0. X is equals to negative 2. And then, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa corner. And get natin yung coefficients dito sa polynomials, which is yung positive 3, negative 2, positive 5, negative 7, and positive 2. So, positive 3, negative 2, positive 5, negative 7, and positive 2. Then, gawa tayo ng linya. Bring down 3. Next, 3 times negative 2. Negative 6. Add lang natin. Negative 2 plus negative 6. Negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2. Positive 16. 5 plus 16. 21. 21 times negative 2. Negative 42. Negative 7 plus negative 42. Negative 49. And then negative 49 times negative 2 is positive 98. Two plus 98 is 100. So, ito, yung mga coefficients sa answer natin. And yung last term is yung remainder. So, 3, since x raised to 4, yung nandito, na highest power natin, magiging 3x cube na lang siya, minus, since negative siya, minus 8, x squared, plus 21x minus 49 plus yung remainder natin 100 over x minus 2 x plus 2, sorry. Ayun na yung answer natin. Yan. Mag-divide naman tayo ng polynomials using long division. So, dividing 6x squared plus 11x plus 4 by 2x plus 1. So, when we're using the long division method, usually, nagawa natin to. Ayan. Yung 2x plus 1, which is yung divisor natin, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa labas. And yung dividend naman natin, yun yung nasa loob. So, 2x plus 1, yun yung nasa labas, yun yung nasa loob, is yung 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. So, kapag nagdi-divide tayo, unahin muna natin to. 6x squared divided by 2x. 6x squared divided by 2x. 6 over 2 is 3. Then, x squared over x, basically 2 minus 1. So, x na lang. Yung 3x, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa ibabaw ng 6x squared. Sunod natin gagawin is yung 3x, yun yung i-multiply natin sa 2x plus 1. So, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 1 is positive 3x. And then, after natin i-multiply, yun yung subtract natin. Subtract lang natin 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. Proceed tayo sa next term. 11x minus 3x is 8. Write natin 8x. Next is bring down lang natin yung 4. Ayan. So, nakuha natin is 8x plus 4. Katulad ng ginawa natin dito sa taas, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito sa baba. So, 8x divided by 2x is 4. Positive 4. And then yung 4, multiply ulit natin dito sa 2x plus 1. So, 4 times 2x is 8x. And then 4 times 1 is positive 4. Subtract ulit natin. (8x minus 8x is 0, and positive 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, 0. 0 yung remainder natin. Thus, yung answer natin ay ito. 3x plus 4. So, another example, using long division, dividing 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 3 by x squared plus 2x minus 1. So, sulat lang natin 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 3. Divided by x squared plus 2x minus 1. Gagawin lang natin 2x cubed. Divide natin sa x squared. Therefore, makuha natin sagot is 2x. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 2x. Yun yung isusulat natin dito sa taas. 2x. Multiply natin yung 2x dito sa divisor natin. So, 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Ayan. Maglagay lang tayo ng ganito para hindi tayo malito sa pagsusubtract. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Proceed sa next term. 5x squared minus 4x squared is 1x squared. Since 1 naman siya, pwedeng hindi na natin ilagay. Rekta x squared na siya. Then, negative 7x minus negative 2x. Magiging negative 7x plus 2x na siya, which is negative 5x. Ayan. Bring down positive 3. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung x squared minus 5x plus 3. Sunod ulit natin gagawin is yung x squared divided by x squared ulit. Since x squared divided by x squared is 1, lagay natin plus 1. 1, multiply natin sa divisor. So, x squared plus 2x minus 1. Subtract. So, x squared minus x squared is 0. Proceed sa next term. Negative 5x minus positive 2x is negative 7x. Positive 3 minus negative 1. Change sign. So, magiging 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Since hindi na pwedeng i-divide tong negative 7x dito sa x squared, etong negative 7x plus 4 yung magiging remainder natin. So, paano natin isusulat yung answer? So, ang final answer natin is 2x plus 1 then plus yung remainder natin, which is yung negative 7x plus 4 over x squared plus 2x minus 1. So, ayan yung final answer natin. Maraming salamat mga katropais. Remember that you were never alone in this journey. Nandito ang PIES PUP-SC Acad TV to guide you. Because here, we leave no one behind. Never lose hope, our future engineers. This is just the start.